Industries like cosmetics and pharmaceuticals, precision isn't just important, it's non negotiable. Because when your product goes into the market, every drop represents your brand's quality. That's why Krupa Shindu Consulting Engineering brings you a solution engineered for absolute accuracy and process control. The automatic rotary essential oil filling and capping machine with 18 head flow meter filling and 6 head ROPP capping system. This is not just a filling machine, it's a precision driven monoblock system designed for high value liquid handling. At the core of this machine lies its advanced flow meter technology, capable of handling both conductive and non conductive liquids, whether it's essential oils, cosmetic liquids, or pharma grade formulations. With no moving parts in contact with the product, you get maximum hygiene, zero contamination risk, and long term reliability. Each of the 18 filling heads is equipped with an independent flow meter, delivering high accuracy up to plus or minus 1%, ensuring every bottle is filled exactly as required. The system intelligently selects filling parameters through a 7-inch HMI touch interface, allowing operators to manage multiple recipes, speed profiles, and fill volumes with ease. As bottles move through the system, infeed screws and star wheels ensure perfect alignment, while the no bottle, no filling, no bottle, no capping logic eliminates errors completely. After precision filling, the bottles move into the 6-head ROPP capping system, where caps are applied with controlled torque and synchronized motion, ensuring tight sealing and product integrity. Every movement inside this machine is synchronized, from filling to bottle transfer to capping, delivering a continuous high-speed production flow. Built using SS316 and advanced engineering materials, this machine ensures chemical compatibility, durability, and compliance with industry standards. With features like integrated fault alarms, auto cap feeder systems, safety interlocks, Kype compatibility up to 70 degrees Celsius, you don't just get performance, you get complete process control. At Krupa Shindu Consulting Engineering, we don't just manufacture machines. We engineer solutions that meet the demands of high precision industries.